Well, we have arrived at the best day of the week, and we have a pretty pet to get us started. This is Blizzard, and he's more than just a beautiful face. This 1-year-old is extremely intelligent and one of the more laid-back huskies the shelter has ever seen. Blizzard already knows a few commands like sit. He's a quiet boy who likes to walk on a leash. Plus, he's neat, tidy, and affectionate without being too invasive. Blizzard is already neutered, microchipped, up to date on his vaccines, heartworm negative, and ready to go home with his new family today. And now we'd like to introduce you to another furry friend that our friend Angela brought in today. This is an adorable beagle named Tomato. This is Tomato, and Tomato is a 6-year-old beagle, and he is ready for adoption at the Kent County Animal Shelter. He's not sure about these treats. He is full grown at 26 pounds, so if you're looking for a dog that's gonna stay a little bit smaller, he's a perfect size. He is a beagle, so he loves to sniff. When you take him out on a walk, he's all about seeing what's around and smelling everything and looking for all the little critters, but he's very sweet. Super sweet. If you're sitting on the floor, he is in your lap. He wants to be your lap dog, and he's been at the shelter for a little while now, and he would love to have a family to call his own. Absolutely adorable and so calm. He is very calm, and he liked to ride in the car. We had a fun ride over here in the car. If you're looking for something a little bigger, we have Blizzard, who is absolutely beautiful. I think he looks like a stuffed animal. He's just the most beautiful dog. He is pretty perfect. And we have dozens more of great dogs ready for adoption at the shelter, and about 15 cats right now in our cattery who are ready to go home. So if cats are more your style, we got lots of great ones too.
This one is like the perfect size to me.
He is.
Oh, hello, sweetheart. Look how sweet. Oh. So cute.
He would love to go camping with you and go on fun adventures, and he's going to climb right up in my lap because he's just the nicest dog in the world. Just snuggle. Yes. Oh, two awesome dogs for adoption at the Kent County Animal Shelter, and many other pets that you could take a look at if you go to visit. Angela, thank you so much. Thank you.